Hey, welcome back. Today's word will instantly make you sound more polished. The word is meticulous. How to say it? Meticulous. Meticulous. So what does it mean? When someone is meticulous, they pay extremely close attention to every single detail. Careful, thorough, precise. Nothing gets missed. Everything is done with intention. Quick origin, it comes from the Latin word metus, meaning fear. Someone so afraid of making a mistake, they checked everything twice. Today, the fear is gone, but the precision remains. Now, some examples. A surgeon in the operating room, hands steady, movements exact, she performed a meticulous procedure. A watchmaker placing each tiny gear with tweezers, that is meticulous work. Your friend spends 3 hours detailing their car, even the vents with a cotton swab, you'd say, wow, you are so meticulous. A few quick ways to use it: he kept meticulous records. She was meticulous in her research. His meticulous attention to detail set him apart. And the adverb, meticulously. She meticulously planned every step. Synonyms: thorough, precise, careful. Opposites: careless, sloppy, hasty. So to wrap up, meticulous means being deeply careful and precise, giving full attention to every detail, no matter how small. Your challenge: drop a sentence using meticulous in the comments. The best way to own a word is to use it. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for a new word every week. See you in the next one.